guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. We have today a crochet install, box braid crochet install. Yes, it's a crochet. I was feeling a little bit, I wanted some box braids, this like, you know, little honey blonde color. Feeling too lazy to do it. I checked the salon prices and I got quoted at like $350. No baby. Just went to the store and picked up this hair from Mayde Beauty and I was like, we're just gonna do a quick crochet install because I honestly don't feel like sitting down for hours braiding my hair. I just was not in the mood, but I wanted the look just real quick, something real quick, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. Right, period. It's very easy to install. Pros and cons. Pros of doing braids crochet style: it's very fast. It's cheap, and you can most likely do it yourself. I'd say the cons are it is not as versatile, and it's not gonna be, I mean, the method I did is pretty flat, so you will get it flat with this like braid down method, but it's not as versatile as regular box braids, obviously. So like you can still style it, but like, you know, if you put the back all the way up, it's not as versatile. But that's the trade-off you get. Just wear it down. Anyway, let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. So starting off with clean hair, the first thing I'm gonna do is start my braid down pattern. So this is my go-to braid down pattern for the most versatility. It can actually get more versatile than this. I'm gonna do the back a little bit lazy, but as for the front, yeah, this is a pretty versatile braid down pattern. You can wear it anyway.
I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Can a nigga catch a break? Better way. Oh.
So as you guys are seeing, I'm going to be doing a plait and then connecting it. So that's what like creates that separation for the plaits to look like they're installed individually. An alternative to this, if you're not too good at plaiting or you just don't feel like plaiting, is the rubber band method. So you can just put each of these sections into rubber bands instead of doing a plait. These plaits in the front are also going to be connected to the ones in the back, so I would just be mindful of, you know, how tight you do them because it's all going to be connected and you just don't want it to be super tight. And there's no need for it to honestly be really tight either. Once you're using product, then, you know, it's good. And just try to get your parting as clean as possible in the front.
You should ride on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love. Know it's all love. Motherfucking man lately, can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love. Know it's all love.
babes, so we got the front done, so we're now going to connect everything to the back. So all you're doing is just some cornrows going straight back. There's other ways you can do this, like cornrow it in a circle, or pretty much do the same braid pattern you did in the front. You can do that in the back for it to be more versatile, but I will do another video on that with another style another time. This is what I had time for today. So if you're, limited on time like me, this is kind of a lazier method to get more versatility in the front. Not so much in the back, but it's faster. So yeah, you can even join more of these cornrows together if you want to, but because I want the cornrows pretty flat, I'm just doing it straight back.
It's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your for your interview. You think I'll like your body when I just caught close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you're running for. You don't have to try so hard. Ooh.
So what I like to do at the ends is just kind of crochet everything into each other. You can use a sewing needle if you want to and sew it down, but that's honestly optional. Like a crochet needle really does just get the job done.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So now for the fun part, installing your crochet braid. So we're just gonna pull the needle through, and then I like to go about halfway and pull the hair through. It's so easy. So you just want to do it for where each plait is, so you have like a space in between so it looks like it's done from scratch. Also, I started with the front instead of starting with the back because if anything, I want to make sure the front is always covered and I have enough hair. And also, like, I feel like I can better like just match the density if I start with the front, and then the back I could just fill it up with anything else. So yeah, it's just me personally, but That's the way I like to do it. In total, I use 5 packs of hair. That's what I found covered like my whole head the best. With most of these styles, I find that like about 5 packs gets the job done, or 4.5 depending. But these braids are kind of like medium size, so they're not like super big, so I think 5 packs is pretty good.
On your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? 'Cause you need reassurance. at your lowest, you got it.
Yeah, so I tried to be as detailed as possible. I'm literally shaking my babies. I'm making the ending of it. It's mom struggles, but we have to get the content done, so it is what it is. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.